Your gut is making you fat. I know that sounds harsh, but it's true. When your gut is inflamed, your body literally can't burn fat. You can eat clean, hit every workout, track every macro, and your body will still hold on to weight to protect itself. I'm Elizabeth Ayler, a functional transformation expert. I dropped 50 pounds in 9 months, not by cutting my calories or doing more cardio, but by healing my gut. And since then, I've helped over 2,000 women lose 5 to 40 pounds in just 90 days by fixing what's really blocking fat loss: their gut. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 hidden signs your gut is damaged and how to heal it naturally so you can finally unlock fat loss, rebuild your energy, and get your body back into balance. Let's start with the first one, the one almost every woman ignores. And make sure to watch until the end because I created something for free for you to get you started today on your fat loss journey. You start the morning with a flat stomach, but by the time 3 p.m. hits, your jogging pants feel tight, your stomach's pushing against your waistband, and you're thinking, why did this happen? I didn't even eat that much. I used to feel the same way. I'd have what I call a healthy lunch, and within an hour, my belly doubled its size. I'd blame it on salt, water, anything but my gut. So here's what's really going on. When your digestion slows down, food doesn't fully break apart in your small intestine. Instead, it sits there and ferments, just like leftovers in a warm kitchen. That fermentation creates gas, pressure, and inflammation that makes your stomach swell like a balloon. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria that help digest food, absorb nutrients, and keep inflammation low. When that balance gets thrown off from stress, antibiotics, too much processed food, or even eating too fast, those microbes start producing more gas than your body can clear. Think of it this way. Your gut is supposed to be a smooth running highway. When it gets inflamed, it turns into a traffic jam. Food can't move through, acid production drops, and digestion stalls. The longer food sits, the more bloated and fatigued you feel. And no, that afternoon bloat isn't normal. It's your gut saying, I can't handle what you're giving me right now. Once I started healing my gut, slowing down my meals, balancing my gut microbiome, my digestion started improving and the bloating stopped. My stomach stayed flat all day and my energy shot up instead of crashing. And that's what leads us into the next sign. Because once your gut slows down, even healthy foods start to feel heavy. You know that feeling when you finish eating and it's like a brick is just sitting in your stomach. You're not hungry for hours, but instead of feeling satisfied, you feel heavy, tight, and uncomfortable. One of my clients, Richard, felt this every single time she ate red meat. She'd say, it just sits there. I feel swollen and sluggish. She even thought about going vegetarian because she thought her body just couldn't handle protein. But the problem wasn't the food, it was her stomach acid. When your gut is inflamed or overrun with things like H. pylori or gut bugs, your stomach stops producing enough acid to actually break down protein. And when that happens, food doesn't digest. It lingers. Your metabolism slows and your body misses out on the nutrients that rebuild muscle, hormones, and energy. Low stomach acid doesn't just cause heaviness. It's one of the biggest reasons women struggle to build lean muscle, balance hormones, and recover from stress. And here's what most people don't realize. If you're not breaking down protein, your body can't make the neurotransmitters that keep you calm and focused, which is why poor digestion can also show up as anxiety, low motivation, or burnout. Once we rebuilt Richard's gut, restored her stomach acid, supported digestion, and lowered inflammation, she could finally eat protein again without the heaviness or bloating. Within 90 days, she dropped 18 pounds, eating more food. Her her energy skyrocketed, her body started tightening and toning instead of holding on to everything she ate. So if every time you eat protein, it feels like it just sits there, it's not your food. It's your gut saying, I can't break this down. Fix your digestion, and your body will start using food the way it's meant to. Which brings us to the next one. You know that feeling when your stomach just won't cooperate? One day, you're sitting there on the toilet, straining, doing everything you can to go. You tried Miralax, Ducalax, magnesium, gallons of water and fiber supplements, and still, you just can't go to the bathroom. Or the opposite, you can't stay out of the bathroom. You're running there like 5-10 times a day, and you feel like nothing ever settles. Both are signs your gut is out of rhythm. This isn't just not enough fiber. It's a sign your gut has slowed down. Your digestive tract is nearly 30 feet long, and your colon alone can hold up to 20 pounds of waste at a time. So when things stop moving, that waste doesn't just disappear. It sits there, pressing on your organs, feeding bad bacteria, and recirculating hormones your body was trying to get rid of. It's like trying to burn fat while your system is still full of yesterday's toxins. One of my clients, Kylie, lived this for years. She couldn't go to the bathroom naturally at all, and she was taking 16 laxatives a day just to feel some relief. Her doctor said, it's just chronic constipation, manage it. But the real problem wasn't her colon, it was her gut environment. Her stomach acid was low, her good bacteria were wiped out, and her detox pathways were basically offline. Once we focused on rebuilding her gut, balancing microbes, and supporting her liver, her digestion woke up. Within 30 days, she was off every laxative, going to the bathroom daily, not 1, but 2 times. And within 90 days, she dropped 32 pounds, felt lighter, more confident, and finally in control of her body again. That's what happens when your gut finally works with you. Your body stops fighting you. And that's exactly what I help women do inside my 90-day whole body transformation. This isn't another diet or macro plan. It's a system that helps you heal your gut, balance your hormones, and rebuild your metabolism from the inside out, so your body finally responds again. If you're sitting here thinking, that's me, I tried everything and nothing's working, this is your sign to stop guessing and get guided support. Click the link in the description to apply now. You'll get a completely personalized plan, and I'll walk you through exactly how to fix what's keeping you stuck step by step. Don't wait for another Monday. This is your body asking for a change. When you fix the root cause, your body doesn't just let go of waste. It lets go of the weight, the fatigue, the frustration, and the constant start over cycle. And once you understand how this works, the next one is going to make even more sense. That brings us to number 4. You wake up, step on the scale, and your stomach sinks. You're up 3 pounds overnight, even though you ate clean, trained hard, and did everything right. You start second guessing yourself. Was it the carbs? The sodium? Did I mess everything up? But here's the truth. That's not fat. I've been there. For years, I thought it was the sodium. So I cut salt completely. But no matter how perfect I was, I still would wake up with this film of fluid sitting on my stomach. What I didn't know then was that my body wasn't holding on to water because of sodium. It was holding on to water because of stress and inflammation. When your gut is inflamed, your body stops feeling safe. Your cortisol, which is your stress hormone, spikes. And when that happens, your body holds on to water and weight to protect you. It's not just mental stress either. Overtraining, undereating, poor sleep, they all do the same thing. High cortisol triggers a hormone called aldosterone, which tells your body to hold on to water and sodium. And when cortisol stays high, insulin goes up. which locks fat into place. And in an inflamed gut and sluggish detox pathways, your estrogen can't clear properly, which means more puffiness, more bloating, and more water around your midsection. So that 2 to 4 pound jump you see overnight, it's not fat, it's feedback. And it's your body's way of saying, I'm stressed, I'm inflamed, I don't feel safe to release. Once I healed my gut, got my stress under control, and actually started eating enough, my body let go of the inflammation. And the scale swings stopped. The fix isn't cutting harder. It's about bringing your body back into balance so it finally feels safe enough to let go. And that brings us to the next one, the sign almost every woman ignores, even when she's doing everything right. You know that mid-afternoon crash where your eyes get heavy, your brain fogs over, and you'll do anything for a coffee or something sweet. You may even feel it hit when you've eaten perfectly your chicken, rice, and veggies. An hour later, your energy tanks. You don't need more caffeine. Your gut and blood sugar are out of sync. When your gut's inflamed, your digestion slows and your blood sugar starts swinging. Every meal turns into a spike, followed by a crash. And here's what most women don't even realize. 95% of your serotonin, which is your feel-good hormone, is made in your gut. So when your gut is off, your mood, motivation, and focus all drop. That's why you crave sugar. Your body's chasing a quick dopamine hit to replace what your gut can't make. Add stress or lack of sleep, and your cortisol swings make that crash even worse. Cortisol drives insulin up. Insulin locks fat in. And now you're stuck in a cycle of fatigue, cravings, and stalled progress. Once I fixed my gut and stabilized my blood sugar, that 3 p.m. crash vanished. I wasn't chasing energy anymore. My body was the energy. If that's you, tired, wired, craving sugar after healthy meals, it's not about more willpower. It's about bringing your metabolism and gut back into rhythm so your body finally runs how it's supposed to. If you waited until the end, I made something free for you. I made a quick metabolic type quiz that shows you the #1 reason your body's holding on to fat and gives you a personalized reset plan you can start today. It's a 7-question quiz and takes less than 30 seconds. You'll find it linked in the description, and I'll also drop it in the comments below for you. But this is only part 1. Next week, I am dropping part 2, how to heal your gut naturally, where I share with you 5 more signs that your gut is blocking fat loss and what to do to bring your metabolism back into balance so your body finally starts working with you again. So make sure to hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and be the first to watch when it goes live. And let me leave you with this. If you tried everything, fasting, cutting carbs, training harder, and still feel inflamed, exhausted, and stuck, it's not because you're not trying. It's because you haven't gotten to the root cause. When your gut, hormones, and metabolism are out of sync, your body can't burn fat. It holds on to it. Not out of failure, but survival. That's why I created my 90-day whole body transformation to help women heal the root cause, not just manage symptoms. Inside, we rebuild your metabolism, balance hormones, and restore your gut health so you can finally feel strong, energized, and confident again. So if you're tired of guessing and ready for real lasting change, click the link below in the description and apply to work with me directly. And if this spoke to you, watch this next video here where I share with you how my clients are losing 5 to 40 pounds by healing their gut and getting their bodies finally to work for them, not against them. I will see you there.